Spike down A.
Here. End. Spike's on it. Here.
One enemy remaining.
See? Oh, that's
One enemy remaining.
Hey guys, thank you for watching this video until the end. If you liked the video, please like. If you want to see more, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you want to, please comment down below what was your favorite clip of this video. And also, please check out these two channels, Veins and massobeats. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. I want to give credit to Veins because his videos influenced me to make this type of video. I also want to give credit to massobeats because they made the beat that's in the first part of this video and also the second part of this video. I want to thank you guys again. I promise I'll make a longer Valorant video. I was gonna basically put a keyboard cam, but that was a no-go. That's why you can only see my webcam footage, and that's also why you can see a sock on my mic. Please do not ask. For the people who do want to ask, I do music as another hobby. If you want to listen to my music, it's on my SoundCloud. It's SirCartDark. I also want to thank you guys again for watching. And yeah, that's the end of the video. Bye.